How to buy gems in Brawl with PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy gems in Brawl with your PayPal. First of all you have to do is just open your Play Store, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right corner, and here just navigate the payment and subscription option from the list given below, and after that under the payment method you need to add the PayPal as your payment method, and you can also redeem your PayPal card in your Play Store in order to get the money in your Play Store first, because once you start buying gems in the Brawl your payment will be deducted from your Play Store using your PayPal as you will add as your payment method. So just go ahead and add the payment method, the PayPal, in your Google Play, and after that just simply come to the Brawl, and after that just go to the shop section from the bottom right, and after that just select the gem that you would want to purchase, and just select the amount of the gem that you would want to buy, and after that this pop-up menu will appear in which you have the option to pay with your Google Play Store, and you can select the payment method. If not the UPI, you can select different payment method option that are available there. So if you added the PayPal as your payment method in your Google Play, the Google Play will show you PayPal as your payment method in order to make the purchase. So yeah, that's how you're simply able to buy the gems in Brawl with your PayPal account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.